Okay, we're good. Okay, everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. And usually I not be making videos. I'm not the kind of person to make videos on YouTube. But I thought I wanted really to share this, and I have very good equipment to record. I might even start a YouTube channel right now if I really wanted to. But because I literally have a good video editor, a literally a good headset, and then a good PC to edit videos, and like a video recorder. I mean, voice recorder, screen recorder. But yeah, basically we're gonna show you guys how to make a simple Discord bot to show off to your friends. And here it is right now. I got two bots right now. Ryan, yeah, it's my bot. Here's his code in case you want to know. There's all of his code. I'm gonna show you guys how to do all of this today. And before we continue, I want to say that I do not take responsibility of this. I found this off a YouTube channel, and I'm just showing everyone how. I'm just showing everyone out there that you can actually make a cool Discord bot easily without having to wear like anything. Right? Very simple, straightforward. Okay, so what you don't want to do is you don't want to go to your desktop. I'm on my desktop right now. Go ahead and press new, and then press folder. Once you're in folder, we'll go ahead and type a name, just a name, and it can be any name at all. It can be Ryan Bot YouTube. Okay, and we're gonna type in CD desktop. So you're basically telling the CD to go into desktop. Then when the CD Ryan, basically basically the name of your folder, YouTube. Yeah. CD Ryan bot YouTube. That should be it, right? In case, yeah. Ryan bot. Oh, I put another U. I cannot type. I really. Let me rename it. Ryan bot YouTube. Okay. Bam. And it will work if it doesn't show. The system cannot find a password. If it says that you spelled your folder name incorrectly, and it would show the folder name right here. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna type npm init. Very simple. Just keep pressing enter, and you see all these popping up, and you did it right. And it shows this is okay. You're gonna press yes, and bam. And now in your folder, you should have a package, or AKA a JSON file. And I also forgot to mention that you're also going to need to want to download Visual Studio Code, both linked in the descriptions. The website. You basically just tap this, download for Windows, and it's going to say thank you for downloading VS Windows. Go ahead and download that, and then download Node.js and download this one. Basically, yeah, save it and then open the installer and then do it. And then once you do that, you basically put that JSON file. And then now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and open your Visual Studio Code. And once you basically open it, you don't want to go ahead and it's gonna look like this when you open it. And you're pretty new to this if you don't know how to do code. Basically all you gotta do is it can show you this window full screen. Just click open folder and open the folder that you just made in your desktop. I've tried to record this video many times. Trust me, they all failed because of something. Attempt like 28. Ryan bought YouTube just right here. Select it. Don't press enter on it. That's what I did. I pressed enter on it and it wouldn't work. Okay. Petty charge son. So when you open it, should look like this. You can put your name right here as an arser. You don't need to. I'm just saying you could. It's just fun. And now it should look like this. You should put the folder name, and it's gonna show these. Basically, let me see. Oh no! Do not do that. Put this new file above your folder name. You're gonna name it index.js, and it should look like JS. Index. I'll zoom in the video. This is gonna take a long time, but it doesn't matter. Index.js, and basically it should look like this. And once it's this, you don't want to go ahead and go in the description of the video right now, and copy and paste this, and I'll show you guys exactly what to do. So now, basically what you're gonna do is, I need to explain this because, yeah, I should explain it because it really, this code doesn't make sense to you right now. If you're new to coding and you don't know what, like, this is. So right now, what we just did was we installed Visual Studio Code, which is what we're in right now. Node.js, they're both required, so go ahead and download them. and then we went to command prompt, and we just basically put a package JSON file into the folder we made. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna type npm install discord.js hyphen two hyphens save. It's very simple. Just follow my instructions, and you'll have a bot in no time. Click enter, and bam, it should show all this. If it shows warn, it means that you did it correctly. Don't worry, warn is it's okay. Everyone does it. Everyone gets this. Everyone. If you ever warned, you basically did it right, and you actually installed the thing that told you to, and you did. So once you have that installed, because it says right here, content sort of required. So we basically need this. If you don't do this, the code is not going to work. You're not going to be able to make your bot. And so basically, now we're going to talk about customizing this, because you can't just go ahead, do this, and say, oh, we have a bot now. But now we need to go to Dev Portal. I'll leave a description, link in the description to it. Discord.app.com developers/applications. Make a new bot. Or I don't want to make a new bot, but you just want to go ahead and like application, create new application. We'll name AA. I'll probably have to do it. But yeah, you open it and then you go to bot and then press add bot. Yes, let's do it. Too many users have this username. Please try another. Testing bot. I am doing. Yeah, just like F it, to be honest. Go to add bot, let's do it. Bam. And now a wild bot has appeared. Basically, you made your bot now. But this bot I was using. This bot's actually pretty cool. Basically, you're gonna see general information, OS2, and bot. What you don't want to do is you don't want to go to your bot and get your token. Press this copy button, and if it says click to reveal token, because if you're streaming or like recording a video like I am doing right now, you don't want to expose it. But I just did because it doesn't really matter, because I can just and basically just don't share this code with just don't show this token or code with anybody. If you share it with them, they basically have access to your bot and can do whatever they want to it. So they basically have co-owner permissions. So yeah. And then yeah, I'm gonna start. And if someone finds you press regenerate, yes, let's do it, and change your code, and then you need to get the code. So I'm gonna do that after this video. So don't even try it. So right here in contest of token, you're gonna see a code right here in these quotations. Delete that code and put in your token you got from your bot. And then right here, contest prefix, and then the prefix is basically just your prefix you want for your bot. I'm gonna do two quotation. You can do whatever you want. Do anything. I'm not saying anything. You can do plus. You can do um hashtag money, whatever you want. I'm gonna do this. You don't need to mess with this. Bot done already. And now customization for your bot. If let me go ahead and open my bot. New window. YouTube bot. Okay, let me run him. Talking about. Okay. So now my bot is online, Ryan, by the way. Playing the game Fortnite. So if we go back into the code, it shows that console allowed run start updated bot or user activity, slow jazz and listen to. Now you can customize your bot and what it's doing, because usually if you look at someone else's bot like Rhythm, they'll say like playing, watching a website, watching other servers. To customize that, all you gotta do is basically just go over here and just pick whatever you want. Like I'm gonna pick my bot as watching one server. Bam. That's what it's gonna say. And then for here, you're gonna put listening, watching. We're gonna put watching, listening, watching, streaming. Just put what you want the title. Basically, that's it. Do it. I'm gonna show you this later. Okay. So now it says watching one server. See, watching one server. That's funny. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I need to remove that because it already says watching. Okay, we go back. Let it. Watching one server. Cool. So we know how to do that. Now we got all this established. Don't go ahead and get all happy just yet. Well, you basically have your bot. Like you start to do a couple more things and you have it. Well, you already have it, but I'm showing you how to do more than just this. And now here's your commands. Switch. So right here, when you copy and paste this, you basically have this also bot.on guild member add. So if when someone joins this server, it would say welcome to the server, pings them. Please read the rules and rules channel. If you want to change this, you go and just change it right here. Go and just change it. And if you want to have this like pinged, just put money, this, and then yeah, member this. But yeah, and then that's to like pin them, and then yeah. So you didn't that much of that. So basically, it's a free walker message, and I'll also take no credit because yeah, I'm talking this off a YouTube video as I said earlier. But yeah, so when you have this, your ball automatically gets a couple of commands. So you pick the prefix and you want, and then you hit ping, and bam, pong, and then you hit hello. What are the commands that I picked for? Yeah, hello. I was thinking when you copy your command, it's gonna do this. It's gonna do it two times. It's gonna ask you two times and say hello there two times. To fix this issue, because it always doesn't happen. To fix this issue, all I do is copy it all, delete it, close it, and save the issues. Say Ryan, what are you doing? You're messing it up. No, because we copied it and now we're just gonna paste it back in. It's alright. Um, let her open it. Where did we do? Okay, so now it's empty. Put it back in, save it, and basically, yeah. So yeah, now if we go back, that's what my bot's doing. Okay, so now I need to actually put the back online, and pink, and then bam, it's normal. And then hello. See, they work. Okay, now Now, also, before you actually forgot one more step too. Before you do this, all before your code actually even works, you're gonna want to go to command prompt and type this in: npm install Discord. I already did this for my bot, but I'm just saying because you're new. npm install Discord hyphen hyphen save. Bam. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we did it. Yeah, I already showed you guys. Sorry, I was just like I thought I didn't show you guys, but if it says add 15 packages, or if it doesn't show all these warn messages, it basically means that like you already did it. So now I'm gonna show you how to make your own custom commands. Here's where that's cool. Basically, you're going to go in the description now again, and you're gonna get this code. You're gonna get this code. You're gonna copy and paste this in under here, under pinned hello. You see a break. Copy and paste this under here, and now basically you just leave all the text case command. So now they're gonna use your prefix and they're gonna say command. You hit that what you want them to say. If someone says that message, the bot will see it and they respond with your message here. They would say your message here, what the bot will say to them. So let's just say the command. Someone does a command. Your prefix, and then they say hello bot. The bot would then repeat them and reply to them saying, "Hello there, human." Okay, so now, and then here's how you save it. Once you do all these changes and everything I just showed you, all you gotta do is press go to file, save, and once you see that, you're good. No, we're not just yet. Go to view, terminal, and then you're gonna type space, node, and then space, period. And if you did everything correct and didn't fuck any code up, it would say Ryan is start updated, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And now we would fit hello bot. I gotta do pit 2, so that's what his prefix is. Hello there, human. There you go. So it pinged me and then said hello there, human. So there it works. If you guys want to add more bots, you can have so much commands. You can have like 85 commands. All you gotta do is just paste it in again, paste it in again, and then pit the case. Basically, like what you want them to say, how for it to activate, and pretty what they want, what they say to activate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to do. And you have your bot, you have your customs command. You basically have a welcome message when people join. You can customize what the bot says, watching one server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can customize your prefix, the token, so the code is exactly what like bot you're talking about. You can't just say, "Oh yeah, well you're gonna put this." You can't just put in the bot name and the tag. Don't do that. Put the token it gives you. Do not share with anyone. And yeah, that's the video. If you guys like this video, and if we go back to my bot can ban. It has ban commands, hit commands, and clear commands. Hello, bud, kick, and actually it works. I'll show you guys here. Ban. So you need to specify a person, and if you don't have, and actually made it where like if you don't have a command and you try to do ban, it will say it says sorry, it seems you don't have the admin role. So yes, it works. That's my bot. Yeah, if you guys like this video, subscribe, and I'll give you guys the paste. Then I'll give you guys the pasting so you guys can go ahead and just copy for the ban and kick command. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys. Peace.